Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. In this video, we're going to be learning how to hide data inside an image. And the process of hiding data inside other data is called steganography. While encryption makes data unreadable, steganography makes data invisible by hiding it in plain sight. Hackers use steganography to bypass security measures or hide malicious data in plain sight. It is often used for malware delivery. Hackers can embed malware inside an innocent-looking image. So let's learn how to do steganography in our Kali Linux. So I am in my Kali Linux right now. I have a zebra picture on desktop. I want to hide my file codes.txt. This file contains my message. Now to hide codes.txt inside my zebra picture, I will open my terminal. Increase terminal font size. Now I am going to install Steghide. So type the command sudo apt install Steghide -y. Press enter. Type sudo password. Press enter. Now the tool will be installed in your system. Type clear. Press enter. Type ls. Press enter. Type cd space desktop. Press enter. Type clear. Press enter. Type ls. Press enter. Now let's embed the file codes.txt inside zebra.jpg. So type the command steghide embed -cf. CF stands for cover file. In my case is zebra.jpg. -ef. EF stands for embedded file, the name of the file that you want to hide, which in my case is codes.txt. Press enter. Set a password. Confirm the password again. Now embedding codes.txt in Zebra image. Now I am going to delete codes.txt. I do not need this file anymore. This just looks like a normal Zebra image file, but inside this picture, there is codes file hidden. Type clear. Press enter. Now I am going to show info of this Zebra file. So type the command steghide info zebra.jpg. Press enter. Try to get info about embedded data. Press Y. Enter passphrase. Press enter. Now showing the all info on Zebra image and it's showing codes file info as well. Type clear. Press enter. Now let's learn how to extract this codes.txt file in Zebra image file. Type the command steghide extract -sf zebra.jpg. Press enter. Enter passphrase. Now the file is extracted. As you can see the desktop. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to hide data on image file. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.